Welcome. Today, we're going to talk about rhetorical questions, their importance, and how to recognize them. And know to never answer a rhetorical question. It is a question that is supposed to cause the listener to think. They should not answer the question. We will have a lot of example sentences. Listen for tone, stress, and voice inflection. Rhetorical questions. This is asked in order to produce an effect, to make someone else think, or to make a statement rather than to elicit information. What part of that did you not understand? Now this is said in a sarcastic tone. The word not is emphasized. This can be asked in a normal tone and it would not be rhetorical, but in this example, it's rhetorical. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? My computer just died. Do I look like a maid to you? Do I look like a maid to you? To my children, I say this. Do I look like a maid to you? You clean your own room. Who's in charge here anyway? Who's in charge here anyway? This could be at work, at home, or in a group setting, generally sarcastic. A rhetorical question is asked to emphasize something or to get the audience to think about the topic. Do not answer a rhetorical question. A speaker in a group setting will often ask rhetorical questions to get the group to think. Are you for real? Are you for real? Now, this is a commonly used phrase, and it can be used in a sarcastic way or in a happy way. Both are very common. So if somebody messes up, you might ask them, are you for real? Or if somebody gave you a gift, you might be like, oh, are you for real, man? Okay. Do you think I'm made of money? Do you think that I'm made of money? Teenagers seem to think that their parents are made of money. Don't you think I know that? Don't you think that I know that? Never, I repeat, never answer this question. It's a no answer question. Have you ever thought about, and let's look at some sentences. Have you ever thought about moving to another country? Starting a new career? Getting married? Have you ever thought about learning a new language? Have you ever thought about other possible options? Thinking before you speak? These are all examples of rhetorical questions, usually, especially in a group setting. From a policeman, do you know why I pulled you over? Usually, you just smile at them. If you answer it, you should say no, sir, or no, ma'am. It's best if you rest both hands on the top of the steering wheel during the daylight hours, and at night, put your hands out the window. Just a safety thing for everybody. Will you listen to me? Will you listen to me? This is usually asked during an argument. The person really means they want you to be quiet and really hear what they're saying. Will you give me a minute? Will you give me a minute? The speaker just needs a few minutes, so be patient and wait until they get your attention. This is very common. Rhetorical questions can also be self-evident or a way to make a statement or to ask a question that you should answer later. If someone asks you a question and you're not sure if it's rhetorical or if you should answer it, watch to see if they're looking for a response. If you're still unsure, just ask them, is that a rhetorical question? And they'll let you know. And please subscribe, like, and share my video. Okay, and please watch another video or two. Listen to my podcast by the same name for longer content. If you want to make your own doodly videos, there's a link below. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. Bye for now.